In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Docusign and add pre-fill fields. This process is essential for anyone looking to streamline document management and ensure consistency across documents. First, we'll start by navigating to the Docusign website. If you're not familiar, Docusign is the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, helping millions worldwide to sign documents digitally. Once you're on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure to keep them handy, as you'll need these to access your Docusign account. After you've successfully logged in, let's head to the Docusign home page. Here you'll see a comprehensive dashboard with various options and menus. You're going to want to find the Templates tab. This is your go-to section for managing and creating document templates. By hovering over the Templates tab, you'll see the Create Template option appear. Click on this to begin the template creation process. Now this is where the real magic happens. You'll be directed to a new page where you can start adding all the necessary details to your template. This includes naming your template, adding descriptions if necessary, and any other specifics required for clarity. Next, let's focus on uploading the document you wish to convert into a template. You'll see an option labeled Upload, which when clicked gives you the chance to select documents from your device. Simply click on the desktop option if your file is stored there. This gives you easy access to your computer's stored documents. Once you find the file you wish to use, click on it and then select Open to upload it into Docusign. Once your document is uploaded, we'll move forward by clicking the Name heading. This helps in keeping your templates organized and easy to identify later. After ensuring everything is in order, go ahead and click Next. We're now approaching the final steps. Once your template is set up, you'll find a section where you can add custom fields. Look for the Custom Fields option and click on it. Custom fields are brilliant for situations where you need to input information that can vary from one recipient to the next, such as dates or names. You can define these fields here so that every time this template is used, the person filling it out can quickly add the necessary personalized information. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a template in Docusign that includes customizable pre-fill fields. This not only simplifies your workflow, but also ensures your documents are consistent and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy templating!